The Ultimate Guide to Top Proxy Service Providers, 2026. While each type of proxy matches certain use cases, having to switch in between proxy providers to use a certain type of proxy is time consuming and costly. What if you had a reliable proxy service provider that offers a comprehensive proxy service focused on adaptability, security, and performance optimization? Well, such proxy service providers exist. However, there are a few and finding them is pretty challenging. That's why we decided to do the heavy lifting for you. Here are 7 top proxy service providers, 2026. Top 7 proxy service providers, 2026. Remember, there are so many best proxy providers lists out there. Some focusing on features, with others focusing on cost. Despite this, it is crucial to always rely on the most updated list when filtering through proxy service providers. For this piece, we focus on providers that have stood out in 2026 in terms of adaptation and service provision. 1. Bright Data. Bright Data still outshines most of the proxy service providers in 2026 thanks to its AI-powered solutions. Among the solutions is an AI-based IP scoring system. It ensures you're on a high-quality, non-blocklisted IP 99% of the time. You also have access to a smart proxy routing system that analyzes website latency, success rate, and block probability in real time to select the best route and resolve other issues. To enhance performance, Bright Data has improved its tiered bandwidth allocation system. This means, if you are a power user, you get priority access to better routes and powerful servers. Not only that, you get an auto-adaptive unblocker solution to reduce the chances of being locked out by various sites. 2. Multilogin. Multilogin stands out among proxy service providers in 2025 for its focus on stealth browsing and multi-account management. The Multilogin Residential Proxy Gateway integrates real ISP IPs with advanced browser profile isolation, offering unmatched protection against fingerprint tracking. In addition to residential proxies, Multilogin provides managed IP rotation and seamless proxy integration for automation tasks, affiliate marketing, and large-scale scraping. With each browser profile linked to a unique IP and fingerprint, users can safely operate multiple accounts across e-commerce platforms, ad networks, and social media without triggering bans or blocks. 3. SOAX. Like Bright Data, SOAX has focused on integrating AI into their systems, allowing them to stay on top of the game. You get access to an AI, IP, and time zone prediction system to avoid site throttling or IP bans. Moreover, there's an intelligent IP warm-up system. This system readies residential IPs using real human-like browsing patterns before you start using them, making it even harder for websites to detect or ban the IPs. Besides increasing their pool of IPs, they have also improved their dashboard to include more intelligent features. The dashboard showcases real-time analytics, including IP health, latency, and success rate. 4. Zite. In 2025, Zite introduced Smart Proxy 2.0, a context-aware proxy management system. This system offers AI-powered capabilities, including site-specific strategies, autoblock diagnosis, and AI fingerprint avoidance. So, if you are using their proxies for web scraping, ZYT's proxy system allows you to use various AI models to develop targeting strategies. Then, the AI models will improve the strategy in real time, rotating proxies and bypassing anti-bot systems. Even though Zite primarily focuses on data center and residential IPs, its systems can autoscale sessions with minimal manual configuration. Moreover, the system also profiles how each website you visit responds to each proxy type. 5. Oxylabs. Unlike Bright Data or Zite that offer services to both small and established businesses, Oxylabs focuses on enterprise solutions. These solutions are mostly tailored for industries like finance, cybersecurity, and e-commerce. To elevate their services, they now have an AI-powered proxy orchestration system. With this system, you get to monitor IP health and scores in real time, with automatic routing away from burned or low-quality IPs. Other than IP monitoring, the system automatically adjusts browser profiles, headers, and device signatures to mimic real users. The retries are also AI-powered, bypassing anti-bot systems. 6. Decodo. Formerly Smart Proxy, Decodo now includes an AI-powered parser and a universal scraper API to streamline web data extraction. With a large pool of mobile, residential, ISP, and data center proxies, you get access to a large pool of rotating IPs coupled with SOCKS 5 and HTTPS protocols. Not only that, Decodo features a no-code scraper, proxy checker, and browser extension to ease web data extraction. Coupled with its easy-to-use dashboard and helpful 24/7 support, you are less likely to experience hiccups while using their proxies.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.